Hey crew, today I got my Granite, my Typhon, both on 3S, and I have a ramp. I'm out here to decompress and just have some fun. I actually pull out a second camera for the Typhon footage. Use the chapters below. Let's rock. But this is my favorite view coming at me. This is... yeah, man. Let's try to peg this thing. Yeah! Oh yeah. Sometimes you just gotta get into it. Oh yeah, we launched her. Almost got that in the mug. Almost got that in the face, right in the mug. Watch your ankles. Pardon me? That's right, yep. You have control in the air. That's what makes it fun. That was a double. On your wheels, baby. Not the cleanest double. Man, the Granite just loves it. And I love the Granite. I miss that crate, and like I said before, but man, these things are just so easy to wrench on and so much cheaper. Oh, you want better than that? It's all-wheel, four-wheel drive, yep. Oh God, guys, you can't go wrong with this truck. And this thing just, with the short wheelbase, just got, you know, has the awesome air control too. Doubles are not an issue. Bam! Twice over. That was two, yeah. Oh, it doesn't get old. This is fun. I'm not a fan of launching off grass because you just can't see the path, but traction should be superior. Yeah. Traction roll. All right, let's send her, see if we can keep it straight. A little better. Not monster sends, but I'm having a good time, and that's what's important. Here we go. Double like a boss. That was easy. Oh, we break something? Something weird. I probably landed on throttle a little bit. Yeah. So, operator error. I was excited. It's been a while. Okay, guys, we're gonna go with the Typhon because I blew another drive shaft on the Granite. Let's just get one to warm up here. This thing just seems to track a lot better than the Granite, so you can tell. And I just love, I know flips are cool, but I just love a long sailing jump. And I'm gonna pin another one just like that if I don't break. Let's see what we can get out of it. Ooh. Okay, Philly B, simmer down, man. I got excited there. Did we come out scot-free? Come on, baby. Didn't break. Here we go. I gotta say, the Granite feels faster for whatever reason. But these just kind of planting the granite wheelies and just out of control. Turning the ramp, look at that. I don't know if my battery's dumping already. Can that be? Yeah. Mind you, I am pegging it both directions. That was some good air.
Like
30 feet? Think so? Hopefully. No. I gotta tighten that slipper up, but I don't feel like it. Oh, I'm slipping big time. You know what? Let me tighten that up. Let's try a couple of these. See if we can't break both cars. Launching on the grass. Unpredictable runway, right? It's too bumpy. Recovery. What's that? Well, I didn't mean to do that. I hear some grinding. You're gonna need a helmet over there. Nope. Man, what a hoot.
Yeah, they fucking there. They go
That landed, but she popped. Yeah, she bounced. Slipper clutch is holding, thankfully. I honestly can't line it up unless we got the Badlands on the Granite now. Oh, my poor girl, she's in rough shape. But this thing is squirrely. Okay, watch yourself.
Oh, there they are, wheel.
Wow. It sure did. Yeah, this thing's way faster than Typhon I got. And it's just bouncing around, yep. Broken chassis, my poor girl's hurting. You can tell when I gas it, the ass end squats out, kind of jets out, like even right there. Yeah, it's reacting really weird. You know what, come to think of it, I think I got 2 different weights in my shocks. Well, that'll do it. Two different oil weights. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh. It hit the front bumper, hit everything, man. It loves it. I didn't think a double would be an issue there. Watch yourself, man.
That was awesome. Imagine the great years coming, right?
I want it to be bigger. I want it to go full nuts. Ah.